Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy here, and I've just gone very blurry because I have kind of perspiration in my eyes. It's absolutely crazy temperatures today. The fan on the desk is doing nothing because there's a big pile of yarn in front of it. The one under here, just about feel it. So if I suddenly dissolve into a big melty blob, then you'll know why. I have some yarn to show you. I do. So this last week I've ordered about 4 or 5 new yarn brands for my shop, Hobby Rocks. Yay, you! New yarn. This is one that I started off saying I was going to order, and I didn't get it for some reason. Well, the reason being I would have had to have brought it in from abroad, and I got quite stung heavy on duties because it was from a business, and so you know, like a wholesale thing. So I didn't know if it was worthwhile doing that again. I think I ordered twice from that company, but I haven't since, and I've managed to find somewhere in the UK. Now, whether that makes it competitive price wise or not, well, I don't know, but I got a little cross section of everything so that I could see you know, what was good, what was going to sell, what was really wanted by everybody. Plus I had to ask for some of it. When I made an inquiry, they said they had some new stuff ready to go on, so I waited a few days for them to upload it, and then I got it. Then they said, if you want others, let me know. So the chances are they're getting some more. And the company in question that I bought, well, the brand, I got a few, but the one I'm going to show you today is Yarn Art, and this is Yarn Art Nordic, and it is absolutely gorgeous colours, really vibrant, and it feels nice, you know, and sturdy. So it's quite a large ball. I'm looking for the info. Let's see. I'm melting. I do apologise if I'm a bit flaky. It's 20% wool and 80% acrylic. 150 grams gives you 510 meters and 557. Oh, that's an odd one. 557 apostrophe 74 yards, which is weird. But quite a lot of meterage, I'd say, in this, wouldn't you? And it is, the colour is 652. Well, that's not a very imaginative colour, is it? But never mind. It is pretty, even though it has got a crummy name. Or no name, just a colour. I'm looking. It's a 3-weight. Okay, let's not blind anyone. This is a 3-weight yarn. I thought it was quite a good size strand for 3-weight. It's kind of one of those thicker 3s, I'd say. But this is beautiful. Look at those colours. You know I love a blue. I do love a blue. So I got this one, and I've not got masses and masses of quantity of all of them. There's a fair few, being as though they're 150 grams. You know, I've got a fair few of them. But oh God, hang on. You know, I feel like I've got a big tear, but obviously it's not tears. It's just, I hope I'm slimmer after this. You know, if I'm going to melt away, at least let it be fat. That's all I can say. Wouldn't that be awful if we just used fat? Why did I say that? Okay, speaking of blue, I like blue, as you know, so I got this one. And this kind of reminds me a little bit of the colour scheme of the King Cole Sortland. It's funny to have a look now. King Cole Sortland. You'll see what I mean with the colours. Obviously, that is really soft, feels like cotton, and it's different. But this one is again Yarn Art Nordic, so the same amount of yards and meters, etc. But what's the colour of this? 662. I like this one. Another blue again. But it's beautiful, really lovely. Nice substantial size balls, that's what I like to see. It sounds so bad. That doesn't sound good at all. Now this one, I wasn't sure about this when I first decided to get it because it's an odd colour scheme to me, but I don't know, I kind of like it. And it's purple with the green and whites, and it's got the purple kind of runs into a, I won't say pink, but kind of a, you know, a pinky white. Well, purpley white, would you say? Because it kind of runs into it. Now this is really pretty. This colour is upside down. My kind of colour. 666. 666. Very nice. Very nice. I like this. I like this a lot. So let's move these out of the way and get to more of these. I got this one because I thought it looked really kind of, reminded me of caramel. I like it. I like the greys and the kind of caramelly colours together. They're really nice. I thought something like a garment, or you know, like a chunky scarf or something made with that would look really, really nice. And this one is 657. Wish they'd name it. Doesn't really do it justice, does it? So that was the caramel one. And then similarly, this one's not caramel, but it's more of the kind of browns, and it's got a nice beigey brown as well, and an kind of off-whitey, creamy colour. Nice, I like this one. I would say this is one of my favourite ones, to be honest with you. And this is 661. So that was the Yarn Art Nordic. I've got quite a bit, like I say, not masses and masses of each one. Oh, hang on, there's another one lurking. Oh, I like this one. That's pretty. Now I've changed my mind. I like this one the most now. I love this one. Wow. It's kind of that dusky kind of mauve, isn't it? Oh, it's so pretty. I like that. And it has a lovely feel. You know, sometimes when there's a wool content in a yarn, it kind of has that roughness. Doesn't feel rough. It feels like some acrylics I've felt. I won't say it's like willowy soft like the Sortland, because that does feel like cotton soft. Upside down again. Wouldn't be me if it wasn't upside down. This is 665, almost that number. Beautiful. Love this one. You see those colours together there? They're just lovely. Wow. I'm kind of glad I got some yarn art at last. So then, yes, that's the end of those Nordic ones. Decided to give the cakes a bit of a try. They had lots of different ones. I know they didn't really have masses, but they're starting to build them up. But so I've got a kind of a few of each. And this one is the Yarn Art Flowers Merino. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh, look at those beautiful, beautiful shades. It's just lovely, and it feels, obviously it's merino, so it just feels so lovely. Now let's see where we are with these. This is 25% wool. Doesn't feel like wool at all. I mean, obviously it's merino, but it just feels beautiful, soft and willowy. 75% acrylic, 225 grams, gives you 590 meters, or 645 apostrophe 22 yards. Weird the way they do that. So look at that. Isn't it just breathtaking? It's lovely. Oh my, I like this one a lot. Its color is 544, but I do love this. I love the pink with the grays and this lovely subtle paler pink in the middle going in. Oh, that is just beautiful. Absolutely. Put that in the bag. Now again, this is the Flowers Merino, and I got this because it was kind of like that, but the other way around. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I really love this one. I like that one a lot too, but this one just floats me. Bought. What are we looking at here? Where's the colour? This one is 546. I didn't need the light. Look how large they printed that one. 546. Just yummy. Yummy is the word. But yeah, so you can see them side by side, both beautiful. And I know you expect me to say it. Oh, boobies, yarn boobies. I have to lower the tone, I really do. Now this one is just beautiful. They're all lovely, but wait till you see this. Look at those colours, aren't they dishy? They are just gorgeous. I love the way this goes. It kind of ombres, but with this split kind of tweedy look. Oh, it's lovely. Excuse me again. It's, I think I'm crying. It's what it feels like. But it's not. And I'm very blurry, so I do apologise if I can't see so well. It is colour 531. Did I give you all the info? I did. Yes, I did. It is 590 metres, 645. We'll forget the apostrophe. Yards. Look at those colours though. I absolutely love this one. And it feels amazing. It's beautiful. It's got a gorgeous feel to it. So that is those, the merino. But these ones, they were good. They were better than good. They were gorgeous. But then these ones are just, these are called just yarn art flowers. And look at that. Oh, wow. Doesn't that just take your eye out, honestly? Whoa, look at it. It's just astonishing, excuse me. I don't believe this. Melting away. Anyway, what a hot day. Crazy hot day. This colour is 300. It's hard to read the yarn band because it's all jazzy and lots and lots of patterning on it. It's a one weight. A one. So yeah, 3 ply. So if a DK is a 3 weight, a 2 weight would be a 4 ply. So yeah, there would be a 3 ply in the UK, lace weight across the pond, or just a 1. That's kind of, it's only a little bugbear for me is the fact that it's thin. But you know what, I forgive it. I think I'd still use it. I'm not usually into the thin yarn, but I'm going to make an exception for this. Well, the beauty of that means you just get lots more of it. It's 55% cotton and 45% pack. PAC, pack. 250 grams gives you 1,000 meters, or 1,090. Well, it says 93-60, so I'd round that up. Anything over the 5 gets rounded up, so I'd say 1,094 yards. But isn't it just breathtaking? So, oh, I love that one so much. Then there's this one, which again is absolutely gorgeous. Look at those lovely colours, that beautiful outer colour, and the way it, wouldn't you imagine a shawl, a really lovely summery shawl made with this? It would just be beautiful, wouldn't it? Just to kind of put over your shoulders in the evening. Oh, absolutely beautiful. This is 305. All the rest of the dimensions and everything else is the same, but oh, isn't that lovely? So subtle and beautiful. I love that one. I'm very impressed with these so far, I must say. Okay, then there's this one. Of course, this reminds me of the Cheney cotton cake. You know, the one that I really like with these colours. Very similar colours. Obviously they're nothing alike because this is squishy, really squishy soft, whereas that's more of a sturdy recycled yarn, but the colour is similar. 310 is the colour, 310. Other than that, everything else is the same, but it is just beautiful. Look at the colours as they kind of morph into each other. Absolutely beautiful. What's your favourite so far? First of all, I thought it was this. And then I thought it was this. And then I thought, you know, I like this, but oh, look at this. Wow, isn't it just completely off the scale? I still think I like the blues and the green. It is beautiful, but look at this one. It is just gorgeous. The way the orange in it, I just love it. And then it ends with the black, which really makes it pop, you know? So lovely. So this is the Yarn Art Flowers again, and the colour of this is 267. Wow, it's just astonishing. I can't really pick a favourite. There are so many that I absolutely love, but obviously I love blue, but I love this one, and this one would be fabulous for a little shawl. I don't know, so good. What's your favourite? So yeah, I've got my work cut out for me, uploading all these things onto my my website, which is, if you haven't already seen it, www.hobbyrocks.co.uk, and I do ship to the US, to Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, and at the moment Cyprus and Malta, but there will be more as and when people request it. So that's it. At the moment, throughout the rest of this month, we've got a 20% off voucher, as you can see that just in the description box, and that is for 20% off of all full price cross stitches. That's the word I'm looking for. So that's going through that throughout this month. So tell me, which was your favourite? Absolutely amazing, loved it. I've got some more yarn to show you once I unpack it and check it all over, make sure that it's the delivery note is what it says it is, and then I'll show you that throughout the week. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye for now.